Hi, my name is Lisa Kester, and I'm the Director of Construction and Renovations. We had a very busy summer this year. We did a lot of projects, which included an addition at Flint Hill Elementary. This project consisted of about 24,000 square feet. It has a storm shelter for the entire school. We're showing you a video, or including a video, of the project in fast motion, fast speed. But during that time, we did lose 81 days due to weather. As you can see from the video, there's a lot of snow on the ground, and then it goes brown, and then it goes white, but then it does finally get green. We were ready for the students on August 14th when they arrived. We're going to show you a quick video and walkthrough of what the inside of the building looks like. As you can see, the building has the walls constructed, but we are missing some of our flooring and our cove base. That will hopefully be coming during the Christmas holidays. We had to wait for some RH problems we had in the floor slab, but we should be having that installed during the Christmas break. During this walkthrough, you'll see that we have a storm shelter door, just kind of give you an idea for what the kids will have in case of a storm. This door will close, and then the kids will be locked in and safe. We're continuing our walkthrough. Again, you'll see the bare floors, but you know, we're trying to be like Joanna Gaines and embrace it at this point. Our storm shelters do include all steel doors. You'll notice those on some of the classrooms versus the wood doors. And we're continuing our work at that school with Phase 3, which is another classroom addition, and we hope to have that done by probably the 1st of January or middle of January. The other projects we did during the summer were concrete upgrades. We did an overlay at Mid Rivers, an overlay at West High, and a repair at Mount Hope. You're going to see some before and after pictures of the project, and it has really made a great improvement, I think, at these sites, and it makes the buildings look really nice as you drive by. This is also a good maintenance reduction for us because we don't have to seal coat anymore, and the concrete lasts forever. We also did a bus loop at Lewis and Clark and St. Peter's. There was a lot of benefits to this, and we're really proud of it. We also did HVAC upgrades at the buildings. We did them at South High, DeBray Middle, and West Middle. Both South High and DeBray, we replaced some very old equipment that was original to the building. It's going to be a huge improvement, hopefully, for the students and teachers and making a nicer environment. We also did interior renovations at several schools. Mid Rivers Elementary got a new paint job, new cove base, really brightened it up, tried to add the school colors in. You're seeing some before and after pictures of those spaces. Then we also did it at Rock Creek Elementary. Again, we did painting, we did some cove base. We also remodeled their main office. It created a better workflow for them, and they'll be able to see people as they come in the building, which is a security issue. And we thought that was a good improvement for us. Then we also did some improvements on some community spaces. North High's tennis courts, we installed a post-tension concrete tennis court, and here's a brief video from Joe Sutton. This is just a quick overview of what we did, but we also have some projects in progress. That's North High and our PDC Center. Again, we'd like to thank the community for all their support, for all the projects we were able to do, and it's because of you guys that we can make these improvements. Thank you so much.